Hey guys, it's Abdul here, and in this video I'm gonna show you a simple step-by-step blueprint of how you can make up to $10,000 recurring monthly passive income with YouTube affiliate marketing. And the best part is you don't even have to show your face. I'm gonna be showing you the exact type of products that you want to promote with YouTube affiliate marketing, and I'm also gonna show you how to rank almost instantly for these keywords so that you can make a lot of money. But again, like I said, you don't even have to show your face with this strategy. And in this video you want to find a pen and paper, or you bookmark this video, because I will be showing you step by step what you need to do from a period of day 1 to 90 days. Okay, so it is a 90-day challenge, and those who are really excited with this, you can follow this method step by step. I guarantee if you put in the work and follow the exact blueprint and system, this will work for you, because it has worked for a lot of people with zero experience, zero technical know-how, people who have never even done anything on YouTube. So if you want to be part of the crowd, go smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, so that anytime I release a new video about entrepreneurship, making money online, new strategies, new methods, you will be among the first people to get notified. That being said, we can get started. Now the first step with this method actually is to go to Google, and what we're going to do here is we're going to type affiliate programs. Now this will give us a list of affiliate programs that we can promote. So what we want to do is we want to just scroll down we want to go with this one, or we go with this one, right? So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and look for these affiliate programs. Okay, I will tell you what to look for in each affiliate program. So as you can see, Hubspot, Aweber, Sendinblue, many affiliate programs. Now what we want to specialize in is products, digital products that give you recurring passive income. Okay, so no physical products, no Amazon affiliate marketing. So the first one is Hubspot. What you want to look for in every program is you want to look for the commission. This is $1,000 per product purchase, and also you want to look for the cookie life. Now the cookie life means when somebody click your affiliate link, for how long are they being tracked as your referrals. For example, somebody can click your affiliate link today and they purchase in the next 28 days. So that means, for example, if the product has a 90-day cookie period, you're going to earn commission as long as the person who click your link buy in the next 89 days. So after 90 days, then it's no more your referral. Okay, so that being said, let's look for another other programs here. It has 30% recording and the cookie life 1 year. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to list down the names of these products: ConvertKit, Lead Pages, okay, Get Response, SEMrush, right? So what you want to do with this method is you want to list down at least 200 different software tools that has affiliate program. You can easily do that on Google here. Like on this page we have 40, on the other page we have more than that. So these programs actually pay a lot of money. Like in the server here pays $100 per referral, and Get Response also pays $100 per referral, or if you want, they will pay you 33% of what the person spends on the platform every single month. So it is very easy to cross your 10k per month 10k per month target. So once you have a lot of affiliate programs in a list, right, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to filter those affiliate programs. How are you going to filter them? You're going to use a tool called vidIQ. Okay, now I will leave a link in the description of this video. vidIQ is a YouTube SEO tool that shows you the keywords that are easy to rank for and the keywords that are difficult to rank for. So before you just jump in and start creating content on YouTube trying to rank for these your keywords, you first need to find a tool called vidIQ to help you. So once we have these 200 affiliate programs, we want to filter them based on their keyword difficulty and also based on their search volume. Now if we put here, like let's put Get Response Review. We know that Get Response pays this amount of money, but again guys, I'm going to show you how to review this product. Okay, just bear with me, stick with me, this method actually works. So what we want to do is we want to come over here and type Get Response Review, and then we hit search and wait for results. Great. So this tool is giving us the exact number of people that are looking for Get Response Review. So you can see 18,303 people every single month come over to YouTube here to look for information about Get Response before they commit to buying the tool. So when people type review or use the word review, they are almost in the end of their buying cycle. They are almost ready to buy. So we are only going to target this type of people. So 18,300. Now the next thing that you're going to look for is the competition. Now this is ranked or rated 100 being the highest, okay, and you have 0.00 something being the lowest. So if you look at here, this is 2.3. This is really easy to rank for. It is a really cool keyword to rank for. So it means you can tick get response as one of your gold mines, okay, as one of the keywords that we are going to target, because it pays $100 anytime somebody goes to YouTube and try to do a review, to try to find a review of get response. Okay, so get response is qualified. Now the next one is, let's say for example, out of our list we have what we call inter-server. It also pays 100. So you want to go ahead and also look for inter-server review. Great. So inter-server has 2,000, not a lot of searches, but 2,000, and it has a very low competition of 6.7 out of 100. So it means inter-server also is a really good keyword that you can tag with a green mark that this is a keyword that you are going to include in your campaign for the 90-day period challenge. Okay, so you're gonna continue doing this over and over again, but it's not only review. Sometimes you can also look for like best or cheap. These are words that are used by people who are almost in the end of the buying cycle. So what we can do is we can also type best cheap web hosting and we hit search to see. Great. So with this one, it has 16,566 and it only have 9.8 out of 100. So this one is a gold mine. Okay, these are really cool keywords that you can go for. Sometimes the keywords are very high, sometimes it's medium. You don't want to go for this type of keywords because they are very difficult to rank for. Okay, you want to look for one that says very low, and the best part is if it is less than 10. So this one says best web hosting reviews. What you can do is you can check like 5 web hosting companies, you review them, compare them, stuff like that. So the other type of keyword apart from best and cheap and review is versus. Okay, all right, so versus also is a keyword that people use when they are almost buying, but they have like they have problem with two tools. They just want to decide on which one is best for them. So what you want to do is you want to target this type of keywords also. As you can see, this is 1,000 searches every month, not a lot, and you can see 2.4, really easy to rank for. You can rank for this type of keywords almost instantly. So group funnel, sorry, click funnels versus group funnels here is 2,600 and it's 2.3. So the other keyword that you want to look for is called alternative, right? Great. So alternatives also is a word that is used by people who want to buy this specific tool, but because of one reason or the other, they want to look for something similar but not that one. Maybe they don't like the pricing, or maybe they are looking for a feature that is not available in this particular type of tools. Now they are searching, actively looking for alternatives, right? So you can see here is 2,900 and it's also very low. Okay, best click funnels alternative. And the best part for with vidIQ is it gives you a lot of keywords, and you can also sort these keywords based on their difficulty. Like this, if you want to find the lowest the keywords with the lowest difficulty, as you can see 0.2, 0.3, 0. So it means these keywords you can easily rank for them, but these are not relevant to our what we are doing. So you can see this one is really cheap. Okay, this is really easy, and this is how you want to go about this. So once you go to Google, you find a list of at least 200 programs that pay monthly recurring income. Okay, or they pay you one time, but the commission is really big, like GetResponse, where they pay you $100 for every referral that you bring. Now you want to come over to vidIQ and you want to look for keywords that are related to that product. Now the first keyword that you will target obviously is that product review. Okay, after that you want to look for keywords like that product versus other products, similar product. The next thing that you want to look for is that product alternatives, or you look for keywords like cheap that product or cheap something, right? You get the idea. So you only want to look for keywords that are used by people who are in the final stage of the buying cycle. Okay, now you cannot be successful with this method without actually having a vidIQ, because what is going to happen is you are going to target keywords that you will never rank for, because you don't know the search volume, you don't also know the difficulty of the keyword. But what we just did is we find programs, we know how much they pay, we came over to vidIQ, we see their level, okay, of difficulty and how many people are looking for reviews or similar things about that product, which actually gives you a very clear idea of how you're going to be going with this very strategic method. Now we found now we find affiliate programs. We know how much they pay. We went to vidIQ. We look for low competition keywords relating to those products. So now we found some keywords that we are going to target. You want to make sure you also find like 200 keywords. Okay, that will help you to make sure you create one video or two videos per day, depending on how aggressive you want to go with this. But again, guys, this YouTube affiliate marketing strategy works pretty well. Okay, no hard selling. Now what happens is, if we look at this one here in video, let me just go back to vidIQ and type in video review. Now I want to see how difficult is it to rank for this keyword, and also how many people are actively searching for this keyword. Because if nobody is searching for this keyword actually, and you go ahead and waste your time create content on this, it's going to be really ridiculous. So as you can see, 18 whopping thousand people searching for this keyword in video review, and it only have 4.6 out of 100. It is a really easy keyword to rank for. Now what happens is, once you have your list of keywords, you know how much they pay, you know the type of keywords that you want to target. Okay, what you want to do is you want to come over and create content. Really simple. You don't even have to show your face. I use a tool called Camtasia, where you only talk, you know, you can go to the website, the product website, right? Okay, and then you just talk about the features and all those things. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go to Google and then type what you are looking for. Like for example, in this case, get response review. I can open this one. So this is a blog that talks about get response review, the pros and the cons and stuff like this. So you can have an idea of the tool just by reading the reviews online and having a note and paper, just taking points, because this is exactly what you're going to be replicating. You're going to be doing the same thing. You talk about the pricing here, you talk about the key difference between the plans, and then you also talk about, you know, how does get response pricing compare to its competitors. So you're going to repeating the same thing. Okay, and it's really simple to create content. When you're reviewing a product, you only talk about the pros, the cons, the pricings, and how it stacks up with its competition, and why you think people should go ahead and purchase this. Now what happens is, we found that this keyword has 18,000 people and very low competition. So we go ahead and then let's look at the pricing. Okay, it's $20 a month, and unlimited is $60, and they pay 50% commission. So it means if you bring people here, it's really easy to promote this product because they have a free plan. So you can just promote the free plan, and then people will go ahead and upgrade. So this will give you $10 a month, and this will give you $30 a month. Still, you know, not much, but still some money. Okay, because the keyword is easy to rank for and people are really searching for this. So let's click this video here. Okay, so what we want to look for is the description, because when you create this type of content, you want to tell people, hey, go to the description of my video, take this program, whatever. If you have coupons, you can give them. If you have, okay, exactly. So as you can see, I use my link and promo code Jane50 and get 50 off, and then this is like ref is equals to Jane Jager. So this means is an affiliate link. Okay, so if you look at these 25,000 people plus viewed this video who are already in the buying phase, and then how many of them are going to take this product because of this coupon code? Quite a lot, right? So this is why the method actually works. Let's just close this video. So what you want to do next is to go ahead and create content. Take get response, for example, go to Google, you know, look for some blogs, read about it, or you go to YouTube and see how people are reviewing these products, what they are saying about. Just take some notes and start promoting the same thing. Okay, once you do this, guys, trust me, you will start making significant amount of money, because most of these products, they have very low competition. Not many people are talking about this. Okay, because people are always talking about reviewing Amazon products, where you have to get the product, physical product, you review it, unbox and stuff like that, very difficult, and you earn very low commissions. But the digital products are the way to go. Okay, the digital products are the way to go. Okay, so you want to make sure you find tools and softwares, online courses, you know, but just find keywords that can give you easy rankings, and you start creating content on that. But again, let me give you another technique. It's not only about reviews. You also want to target tutorial videos, like for example, how to create a landing page, Okay, so you can see how to create a landing page have 47,000, and the competition is not very high. It's just 18 out of 100. Is still on the very low. So what you can, there are variations of the keywords that you can check, like lead pages review, very low, 1.4, and convert kit review, 2.5. How to create a landing page in convert kit and stuff like lead pages tutorial. Okay, so what you can do is you can go ahead and create a tutorial on how to build a landing page, but you want to feature one tool. For example, I can go ahead and feature Thrive Architect. I can go ahead and feature ClickFunnels, Onbounce, Landigi, many different tools, group funnels, and then I will create a landing page using that tool. Then after the tutorial, I will tell people, hey, if you want to create a similar landing page, check the link in the description. This is the tool that I use. This is what I recommend. And many people will go ahead and then purchase. Okay, so people are actually doing this and it is working. So let's go back. What we did first was we look for as many affiliate programs as possible that are digital and they pay monthly recurring commission. We installed vidIQ and we are able to find the keywords, the volume, and also the difficulty. From there, we filter the keywords. We know the exact keywords that we want to target, so we go ahead and create content on those keywords, and vidIQ will help you to rank for those keywords that you're creating content on. With this method, guys, there's nothing to spend, no money to waste, no buying of ads, no spending money on buying expensive courses, nothing. It's just you being ready to do this. Okay, guys, you want to make sure you do this. Don't just wish and then shit down. The issue here is once you create these videos, these visitors will be coming to your YouTube videos for life, and it will be like magic. You will see commissions rolling in every single day. Okay, so at present, I know the work that your job is far more difficult than this. Just give it a time. You can be doing your work and you spare just like 2 hours a day to create one video in the next 90 days, and you will come back to Abdul, my channel here, and you will thank me for that. Now, if you really like the video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video, and in the comment section ask me any question that you want to ask regarding this video or regarding entrepreneurship or making money online. Or if you want me to create a video about a topic, well, you can put that in the comment section and I'll go ahead and make sure I create that video for you guys, because I will love you guys. I really appreciate your being here. Go ahead, share this video, like it, comment, so that the algorithm can at least push it so many people can watch this video. So you can go to my channel and watch as many videos as you want, and then that's it, guys. Below there's a link in the description of this video. All the tools and resources that I mentioned in this video are there. They are my affiliate links. If you want to support, you can click those links. Go ahead, purchase vidIQ, purchase all the tools that I mentioned in this video, and I will get some commission from that, but I really appreciate the support. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is, if you want a step-by-step guide, a blueprint to work with me one-on-one to make sure you build a successful online business where I'll be guiding you through the entire process, I've left a link below in the description of this video where you can go ahead, attend my live training. I will see you inside and I will walk you through my proven methods of how to even make more money online with affiliate marketing. So I think this YouTube affiliate marketing tutorial was really exciting. It doesn't involve a lot of expenses and it's really easy. It's a simple blueprint. I will see you in my other videos, guys. I'm out.